Nothing says relaxation like owning a property right on the water's edge. I'm Hannah with Swift & Co. Realty. Let's go take a look at this walk-in water's edge condo. This unit is over 1,400 square feet, has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus has been updated with new flooring and paint throughout. Included is a 10 by 28 boat slip, plus Water's Edge has a wide array of amenities like this large outdoor pool, a clubhouse, and tennis courts. Whether you're looking for your next vacation spot or investment opportunity, this condo is the key to enjoying Lake of the Ozarks. Give me a call today for more information or for your own private showing.